Big news! Elinchrom have just launched their first ever continuous light. It's great to see them joining into the continuous light hype as we see more and more photographers shooting with it. The reasons are simple. It's much easier to learn because you see exactly what you get before pressing the shutter, and it brings double the use for the increasing demand of video content alongside images. Now, Elinchrom have designed the LED 100C with a similar design as their flash units, but with these big fans on both sides. It feels pretty light. It's said to weigh less than a kilo, so perfect for on-the-go photographers and creators. If we turn it on, we can see that the touchscreen also looks very similar to the flashes. It seems very intuitive. Continuous LEDs typically have a much smaller menu because most of the features we know are flash specific, so this menu is even easier to navigate. We've got the power and the color temperature here. It's adjustable from 2700 Kelvin up to 6500 Kelvin. And here you can also switch to RGB, so you can choose any color you want. We're really happy they've made their first constant light RGB because it just gives so much room for creativity, and we love photographing with a pop of light, especially for products and portraits without having to use a gel. The colors can be changed with 10-degree increments up until 70% of power. Anything higher than that, you have 1-degree increments for finer control. Also in the menu, we can find some special effects. We've got CCT intensity, where it moves from warm light to cold and back, paparazzi, lightning, TV, candle, strobe, explosion, faulty bulb, welding, hue intensity, where it seamlessly moves through all the colors, fire, cop car, party lights, and fireworks. The fan comes on, but we can turn it off in the menu. Once we do that, we won't be able to set the power higher than 20%, however. We've got a Bluetooth menu here as well, and Elinchrom wants to bring out an Elinchrom app in early spring this year so it can be remotely operated. What I really like is the battery life indicator. It shows you exactly how long you can still shoot with the light, and it changes with the amount of power you use. I'm generally a big fan of battery displayed in time. It just makes for so much easier planning during the shoot, much better than just the battery icon or even percentages. The battery will last up to 40 minutes on full power, but even if you run out, it can be charged during use. So unless you're out and about, you can just quickly plug it into the wall and you'll be ready to continue. This new light has the Elinchrom OCF mount, so it can be used with the OCF barn doors, the OCF reflectors, and all Elinchrom umbrellas, for example. You can also use all Rotolux softboxes with either the Rotolux Profoto or the EL Profoto adapters, and use the OCF adapter to attach more reflectors or a snoot. And if you're using Bowens modifiers, you can use the Bowens Profoto adapter, if you want to use a Bowens projection attachment, for example. We've got a compatibility chart on the product page of our website as well, so if you want to have a deeper look into it, go to theflashcenter.com to find it. That was it for our first look at the Elinchrom LED 100C. We'll learn more from Elinchrom in the next couple of days, and we'll make sure to keep you updated about anything we haven't yet covered here. What are your thoughts about this new venture Elinchrom has started with this light? Are you excited to see more constant LEDs? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure you follow our social media channels on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok and YouTube to stay up to date with new releases and photography content.